Both houses of parliament have been adjourned till August 4th amid disruptions and protests, leaving the resolution to extend President's rule in Manipur pending in the Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha had earlier passed the statutory resolution approving the extension for another 6 months, effective from August 13. The resolution moved by Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai claimed that law and order in the violence-hit northeastern state was gradually improving, with only one reported fatality since the imposition of President's rules on February 13, 2025. He asserted that the centre was working towards peace and rehabilitation. While the Lok Sabha gave its approval on July 30th, the Rajya Sabha was scheduled to discuss and vote on the matter on July 31st. However, continued protests over various issues led to adjournment of proceedings before the matter could be taken up. With Parliament set to reconvene on August 4th, the fate of the President's rule extension in Manipur now rests on the Rajya Sabha's approval.